Avenue is the inimitable front end of the Speed 12, TVR's biggest and baddest product so far, which is strictly for track use. Here, in the 1998 BRDC Privileged GT Championship, it's carrying number 12 and battling out with Porsches, Vipers and examples of the most expensive car on the planet, the McLaren F1. The uniquely styled Speed 12 is a pure racing car, powered by a 12-cylinder engine, which in principle is nothing less than two Speed 6s joined together in a V configuration. The capacity of this monster motor is 7.7 litres, and the power output is a shattering 800 horsepower. Peak power comes in at 7,250 RPM, while maximum torque is achieved at 5,750 revs. The torque figure, by the way, is 650 foot-pounds, which helps to explain why occasionally the drivers get it wrong. Unusually, the engine block is made of steel, and it carries alloy heads holding 48 valves. The chassis is built from alloy steel with a full roll cage for driver protection, and the suspension is fully adjustable. The body is constructed in true race car fashion using lightweight, high-impact absorbing composite materials. The styling is a combination of panache and practicality. There's just a possibility that TVR may sell a very small number of road versions of the 12, so it has to look like a true TVR and remind those who should see it on the road what its heritage is. But in the meantime, it's a racer, so it has to have all the things that race cars need. That means aerodynamics that create downforce and lots of slots and holes to let cool air in and hot air out. GT racing is all about endurance, so the Speed 12 has to cater for two drivers, who could be of widely differing sizes. Other GT cars get over the problem by giving each driver a seat that's tailored to him and swapping them over at driver changes. The TVR solution is more elegant. The seat stays in the same position and the pedals move in and out to fit different drivers. The Speed 12 may be a track-only car, but you can be sure that the engineers back in Blackpool are learning a lot from it.